Hi friends, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shantipriya Grammar Classes. So in this class, let's discuss paragraph writing. Okay, so how to write a paragraph. As it is a very important topic, so please watch this video till end. Then only you will be able to understand the concept clearly. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Those who have not yet subscribed, press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share this video. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. Yes. So now let's discuss what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences that tells about one subject or area. That means what it tells about one subject or one area, one topic. Okay. So each sentence in a paragraph must give information about the topic. So about what topic we are discussing, about that information each sentence in a paragraph should give. Okay. So now a paragraph has several parts, that is 3 parts it has. Main part is topic sentence. So what is a topic sentence here? The first sentence in the paragraph is a topic sentence. It opens the paragraph. The topic sentence states the main idea of the paragraph. What is the paragraph mainly about? So that the topic sentence will say, okay, that is, it shows what the whole paragraph is about. Next is supporting sentences. So they are used to develop the topic sentence. That means what? To improvise the topic sentences. In other words, they give more information about the topic sentence. Supporting sentences can give facts, statistics, details or examples. Details about the topic sentence. Okay. Next is concluding sentence. So it is the last sentence in the paragraph. It usually restates the topic sentence in different words or summarizes the main points of the paragraph. So concluding sentence means what? It gives the conclusion and it gives the summary of the paragraph. It will summarize the paragraph as a whole. Okay. So it summarizes the main points of the paragraph. Next, let us discuss few sample paragraphs. Okay. So first, example 1. See the topic sentence here. The most important problem in our city is its poor public transportation system. So now with this, what do you understand here? It is about this paragraph is about the poor public transportation system in the city. Okay. So that will be the topic sentence. First sentence. Thousands of residents rely on the city's buses and taxis to travel throughout this large city, while the metro transportation system's daily schedules are totally unreliable. A bus or taxi that should arrive at 7:45 may not arrive until 8 or later. Moreover, it is not unusual for a bus driver to pass up groups of people waiting for the bus because he wants to make up for the lost time. Unfortunately, people often end up going to work late or missing important appointments. So these sentences are giving more information about the topic sentence. So we call it as supporting sentences. Next, last comes the concluding sentence. What is that here? In order for people to get to their destinations on time, people must allow for waiting time at the bus and taxis stops. Okay, so this is the concluding sentence, which is a summarizing of the paragraph. Okay, so this is one example about the problems faced by the people in the city based on the poor public transportation system. Next is, what is this paragraph about? Okay, there are several possible reasons why my father is in excellent health. So that means what? This paragraph tells why my father is in excellent health. For this, first, he is in excellent condition because he has stopped smoking cigarettes. He quit smoking cigarettes since whenever he climbed stairs, he would quickly stop several times and cough loudly. He also has good health as a result of stopping eating the wrong kinds of food. Third, he is in good physical shape for he exercises a lot. He swims 3 times a week at the local gym. So this is a supporting sentence. Now, concluding sentence. How do you summarize this paragraph? In short, my father is in better shape than some of his children are. So this is the concluding sentence. Okay. So in this way, a paragraph will have 3 parts. One is topic sentence, supporting sentence and concluding sentence. Okay. Next example, see here. See the topic sentence. If you see the topic sentence, you'll understand what this paragraph is about. One of the first helpful people I met was John. This paragraph is about John. I first met John standing in a line at the bookstore. I was having a difficult time finding the books for the English classes. I was taking my first semester here. He not only helped me find my books, but he also gave me some good advice on where to get tutorial help on campus and where I could find some good restaurants. We have become better friends since then, and he has been so helpful in answering any questions I have about going to school in the US and about American culture. So, this is supporting sentence, this is giving more information about the topic sentence. Next comes the concluding sentence. If I hadn't met John that day, I might still be looking for the right books for my classes. You are summarizing about John here in the concluding sentence. With this, I am going to end today's topic. So, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share this video. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter also.